Are you looking for a portable treadmill that's easy to move but gets you the exercise that you want to get? Well, I've got this fantastic one right here. Let me just quick show you how easy this is. And then I'll show you how it breaks down easy. But this is, go ahead and start here. Gives you a little countdown. And then it's going to start you at 0.6. So just over half a mile. You can easily start going up. Now I'm at 1.8. Let's see how fast this goes. 2.4 I'm at. Now you can see here that I have applied what is the stop string. So this is magnetic to the power button. And what happens is if you fall off, that's going to stop the machine from moving. You simply put this back on and then you can start again. And it again gives you the countdown. And you can continue to go. But let me give you a close-up look of everything. You're going to loosen these, and then this will fold flat. And then here is the screen that I was showing you. You've got distance, time, calories. So you can go through that with the options. Switch through that with what you want. You can go through different programs with speed. Here's your stop, startup button. See, here's that timer. And then the treadmill is going to go ahead and start moving. So I want to start over here at the head of the treadmill. That there is your master power button to turn on and off. But like I said, you only have to install a few things. So we just had to install these. And what this is going to do, I'll undo these, is this allows you to put this handle up and down. Okay, so got one on each side. And then with the handlebar here, and as you see here, we'll go as flat as can be. Forgot to mention there are cup holders in the top there. Also included with this is a brochure to go over everything. You have oil for the track here, and then also a tool to do any adjustments to the belt. Really a fantastic portable treadmill.